Already have a ChatGPT account, but not sure how to sign in? In this tutorial, I'll show you the complete login process, explain the different sign-in options, and share a few quick tips in case you run into login issues. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and visit the official ChatGPT website. You can also use the ChatGPT mobile app if you have it installed. Once the page loads, click the Login button. Next, select the same login method you used when creating your account. You can sign in with your email address and password, or use a supported account like Google, Apple, or Microsoft. If you're using your email, type your registered email address and password, then click Continue or Login. If you're signing in with another account, simply follow the prompts that appear on your screen. Depending on your account or device, you may be asked to complete an extra verification step. This could include confirming your identity or entering a verification code before you can continue. After signing in successfully, you'll arrive at the ChatGPT home screen. From here, you can start a new conversation, continue previous chats, or explore the tools available with your account. If you can't log in, first make sure you're using the same sign-in method you used when creating your account. Double-check your email and password, and if you've forgotten your password, use the password reset option on the login page. Also make sure your internet connection is working properly. To protect your account, always sign in through the official ChatGPT website or app, use a strong password, and avoid sharing your login details with anyone. These simple habits help keep your account secure, and that's everything you need to know about logging into ChatGPT. Once you're signed in, you're ready to start asking questions, creating content, and exploring all the available features. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and thanks for watching.